Look, this crayon looks so good. The kids will be wanting to eat this. Listen, don't let the kids eat your crayon cup because it's not a real crayon. You need to drink out of it, okay? You can color with it too if you get really bored, you know? But let's go see how we made this, shall we? Ah, crap. Wait, what? I weeded the wrong part. Dang it. Let's try this again. Come on, don't be shy. Alright, so now that that's done, I got a red cup. I already spray painted and based it red to get it ready to go. I've got some of this amazing fancy red glitter. Ooh. So next we're going to tape off our lines and set our measurements, and I'm going to use this skinny tape to make the little wiggly line on the ends. You'll see, just watch. Well, hold on, I'll just show you right now. Ready? Whoop. Oh, the glitter thing was in the way. Huh. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There, that's cool. Now we'll paint this black and this, and then the next step, little. Draw! Oh no, don't rip my face. So satisfying. And now I have a special way that I put the stencil on. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Ah, it's just like magic. Okay, now you may be wondering, why are you putting all the details now? Aren't you supposed to glitter it and then epoxy it and then put your pictures or whatever you want to put on it and then epoxy it again? Well, yeah, you could do that. I'm trying to do things the easy way. Like on this video right here. Check out the card. Whoop. And that's a pencil cup, and I used a Sharpie to put my details on before any glitter. Now I'm using an airbrush in this video, and if you don't have an airbrush, hey, don't sweat it. It's okay. Just use a Sharpie like I did in the pencil video. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's all going to be good, baby. Just put the epoxy on and let it roll. You know what I'm saying? Okay, anyway, let's finish this. So, while we're inside, help me by helping you by help me help, you know. Share this video on your social media. Put it on Facebook for all your people friends to see, because you can't really see them in person because, you know, it's kind of get kind of frowned on right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I mean, come on. Whatever you do, just share it to show the people. It's amazing. Okay, thanks. So I can keep doing what I'm doing, and you can keep watching me do what I do. Okay? All right, thanks. Now we're ready. Doesn't that look beautiful? For the next step, insert your own name here, or you can write Crayola. I don't care. It's a crayon. But this is for Miss Peters. She's going to be so happy. But the next step is to tack it. And you need a cup and your brush. And glitter. Ooh, so sparkly and beautiful. Let's get to it. Stay. Good boy. Jeez. Water. Water. Alright, so before I put this on, I'm going to explain. Hey, wake up back there. No sleeping on the job. I'm going to explain my thought process behind this. So this, from this line, the black to here, the black inside the, just this part right here. This is the wrapper on a crayon. This is the end. This is the end. Like, you know how it tapers down. So I put a little shadow. Maybe it'll work. In my mind it works. So I'm going to do it. And then this is the other end of the crayon. The butt end that nobody likes. So the wrapper is a lighter color than the actual crayon. So my thought process, and this is just in my head, and I feel like it will work out really well. Hey, stay out of the way. So what I'm going to do for the wrapper to make it lighter is I'm going to take some of this and some of this and mix it together for the wrapper. And for the ends, I'll just use solid this, so it'll be bright and vibrant. So here's an image of a crayon to show you what I'm talking about with the wrapper, with the different colors. See it right here? There. All right. Hey, you quit falling down. No sleeping. 15 minutes later. Like magic. Nice and easy. There. Nice straight line. Now don't screw it up. Just kidding. Huh? Holy cow. Ooh, pretty. Beautiful. Now a few coats of this stuff and what? You don't know how to use this stuff? Oh, well, by all means, click the link right here in the card and watch that video. And then you'll know all about it. Let's put a couple coats on there and then we'll resin. Ooh. wait. Are you about to leave? Don't leave. Click this video right here and watch another one. Keep it going. Let's have a party. Let's watch a cup making party. Okay, bye.